Today, we embark on a journey into the realm of dietary choices for those aged 50 and above, exploring 10 foods that may not be your best allies in the quest for enduring health as you gracefully age. The path to healthy aging is paved with choices, and it's crucial to recognize that what you consume can be your most potent form of medicine. Yet, in the midst of tantalizing culinary delights, resisting the siren call of delectable dishes is no simple feat. It's a journey that requires both awareness and determination. If you seek a path to safeguard your well-being and fend off common age-related afflictions such as hypertension and diabetes, it may be time to contemplate the exclusion of certain culinary culprits from your diet. The choices you make today can have a profound impact on your future health, and understanding the potential pitfalls of certain foods is a critical step towards a healthier, more vibrant life. In this video, we'll dissect 10 specific food items that could jeopardize the health and vitality of individuals beyond the age of 50. These dietary pitfalls serve as cautionary tales, guiding you towards more informed choices that can lead to a better quality of life as you age gracefully. Let's commence with the perils of soda consumption. Soda, with its bubbly allure, becomes our first adversary in this culinary saga. If you're over 50 and prioritize your health, soda should take the top spot on your "do not consume" list. This carbonated elixir harbors copious amounts of sugar, which can pave the path to diabetes and other health woes. What's more, soda contains phosphoric acid that can erode your bone health, making it a double threat to your well-being. Regularly indulging in this sweet poison elevates your risk of heart disease and stroke, further highlighting the urgency of this issue. To stay within the guidelines set by the American Diabetes Association, you should limit your sugar intake to less than 10% of your total daily caloric intake. This equates to about 50 grams for men and 40 grams for women, based on a typical 2,000-calorie diet. Achieving this limit is a daunting task, as most people easily surpass it. Soda contributes not only to weight gain due to its high sugar content but also to lackluster skin due to its artificial ingredients. Furthermore, it fails to provide proper hydration and can even dehydrate you, emphasizing the need for healthier alternatives. Next on the blacklist is fast food, a perilous path for individuals of all ages but particularly ominous for those over 50. As our bodies change with age, so do our nutritional needs. Here are several compelling reasons to curtail fast food consumption for those striving for good health beyond 50. The high caloric content of fast food meals can easily exceed 1,000 calories on average, contributing to weight gain and associated health problems. Saturated fats and cholesterol, which are notorious for their presence in fast food, can clog arteries, leading to heart disease. The excessive sodium often found in fast food can elevate blood pressure, posing a significant risk for older adults who may already be susceptible to hypertension or high blood pressure. Furthermore, fast food lacks essential nutrients crucial for aging well, such as fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in fresh fruits and vegetables. Understanding these reasons underscores the importance of making informed choices when it comes to the foods you consume. Moving on to number 3 on our culinary cautionary tale are processed meats. For those over 50, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats should be approached with caution. These processed meats are notorious for their high saturated fat and sodium content. They also contain nitrates, added as preservatives but associated with an elevated cancer risk. To introduce protein into your diet without these risks, consider lean cuts of fresh meat like chicken breasts or fish. Enhance your meals with fresh vegetables, fruits, beans, and whole grains, providing a healthier balance in your diet. This strategic shift towards more wholesome alternatives can help mitigate potential health risks while still savoring your meals. On to number 4, dairy with added sugar. While dairy products are known for their calcium and protein content, it's vital to be aware that many also contain added sugar, often hidden in the fine print of ingredient labels. To avoid this concern, scrutinize dairy product labels for any form of added sugar, such as corn syrup. This simple but crucial step empowers you to make informed choices and reduce your sugar intake. Consider unsweetened almond milk or calcium-rich dark leafy greens like spinach or kale as alternatives, offering you a wealth of nutrients without the added sugars. Now, let's turn our attention to number 5, white bread and pasta. These versatile staples may impact your health as you age. White bread and pasta have a high glycemic index, causing rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar levels, leaving you perpetually hungry. These fluctuations in blood sugar levels can be particularly uncomfortable and detrimental to your overall well-being. Additionally, white bread has been linked to elevated cholesterol levels over time, further underscoring the need to make healthier choices. Opt for whole grains like brown rice or quinoa for a superior choice, as they have a lower glycemic index, meaning they don't cause significant fluctuations in blood sugar levels. This choice also contributes to better heart health, making it a valuable dietary shift. Number 6 delves into the distinction between grain-fed and grass-fed red meat. Grain-fed red meat raises particular concerns, as it's often linked to heart disease and cancer due to the potential presence of antibiotics and hormones. On the other hand, grass-fed beef offers more beneficial nutrients and is a better choice for those looking to enjoy red meat without compromising their health. Understanding this distinction allows you to make more informed choices when it comes to your protein sources. Low-fat or fat-free products take the 7th spot on our list, and they often hide a surprising twist. These processed foods often compensate for the reduction in fat by increasing sugar content, making them significant contributors to chronic diseases like obesity and diabetes. Moreover, since these foods are typically made from refined flours and sugars, they lack essential nutrients such as protein and fiber, leaving you with a high intake of empty calories. Another drawback is that the removal of fat from certain foods, such as cheese or chocolate, results in the loss of vital nutrients, like vitamin B12, calcium, and potassium. Understanding these intricacies highlights the need to approach low-fat or fat-free products with caution and consider more wholesome alternatives. Refined grains, at number 8, undergo processing that strips away essential nutrients, leaving you with a high carbohydrate and sugar intake. Opt for whole grains to maintain a healthier lifestyle, as they offer a more balanced nutritional profile without the pitfalls of refined grains. This transition to whole grains provides sustained energy, helps keep you feeling satiated, and contributes to better heart health, making it a valuable dietary choice for those aged 50 and above. At number 9, we encounter the delectable yet unhealthy world of fried foods. High in fat and salt, fried foods contribute to weight gain due to their calorie-dense nature compared to alternatives like baked or grilled foods. However, these deep-fried delights also pose a health risk beyond their impact on weight. At times, they even contain trans fats, a particularly concerning type of fat that can contribute to heart disease and other health issues. Fortunately, there are numerous other enjoyable ways to savor your favorite fried dishes without encountering these drawbacks. Consider exploring alternative cooking methods such as baking or utilizing an air fryer, which eliminates the need for excessive oil used in traditional frying. These methods allow you to achieve a similar crispy texture and delicious taste without compromising your health. By making these shifts, you can indulge in your favorite foods while making more health-conscious choices. Last but not least, at number 10, we confront excess sodium. Consuming too much sodium can raise blood pressure and increase the risk of heart disease and stroke, two significant health concerns. The Institute of Medicine recommends that adults limit their sodium intake to no more than 2,300 milligrams per day, emphasizing the importance of moderation in sodium consumption. Unfortunately, most Americans consume far more sodium, ranging between 3,400 to 4,700 milligrams daily, as reported by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. This excess sodium often originates from processed foods, including canned soups and vegetables, fast food meals, cheese sauces, and various condiments. Understanding the impact of excessive sodium intake on your health underscores the need to be mindful of your dietary choices and consider lower sodium alternatives. In closing, we hope this guide has illuminated the dietary path for individuals over 50, aiding you in making healthier choices and providing valuable insights into the potential pitfalls of certain foods. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insights into foods that can promote a vibrant and healthy lifestyle, and stay tuned for our upcoming video on recommended foods for those in the golden years of life. By embracing knowledge and making informed dietary choices, you can take proactive steps towards a healthier, more fulfilling life as you age gracefully.